Dito, music. Sino? Bye-bye. Okay. Set up. Take one chair out na lang. Medyo tayo na. Ready? Music! Come on! Dance, dance, dance! Wala pa! May music pa! Ang baliw! May out-out. Sorry, Tito. Bye-bye! Okay. Oh. Set up, set up, set up, set up, set up. Ready, ready. Tasig ka, tasig ka. Ready? Music! Go! Everybody! Hands up! Up! Come on! Wave your hands in the air! Wala lang. Music pa! Music pa! Si Rola. Oh, bye-bye. Sige lang. Next game naman, ha? May problema. Dapat pa-games. Oh, dito. Ha? Now, sige lang ito sa. Ready? Music! Bye-bye. It's okay. May consolation prizes ang mga walaan. Music! Sino? Kahit kung birthday mo, out ka. Out ka. Music! Presence of mind. Presence of mind. Listen to the music. Oh, 3 boys, 1 girl. Ay, grabe. Music! Baboy! Bye-bye! Ay, dua kalaki sa kababae. Stand up. Can you put one chair here? Dili na ang buwan na lang. Okay, listen. When the music plays, you have to go around on this chair alone. Libot. Hindi ka mo malibot. Sige, libot. Music dito, music. Gangnam Style. Libot. Okay. Pag-stop sa music, no? Dito ka mo tungko. Pauna-una mo dito sa prongkuan. Okay? Pero, isa lang ang manood, ha? Isa lang. Diwat. Di ka mo malibot. Di ka mo mapungko. Pila ka daw. Music! Gangnam Style. Presence of mind. What's your name? Christine. Nag-school ka? Hindi ka ba-school? Assumption. 19. Ayun na. Oo. Bahay lang. What's your name? Miko. Do you go to school also? Saan ang school?
Santa Clarita.
Santa? Ay, ibig sabihin